Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to assign a static IP address to an Imou camera using your smartphone. First, download and install the Imou Installer app. Next, create an account using your email address or phone number, depending on your region. Once you're logged in, tap Easy Config. On this page, the app will automatically scan and display all Imou devices connected to your local network. You can tap the refresh button at any time to search for devices again. There are several useful tools available here, but today we'll focus on changing the IP address of an Imou device. Tap Modify IP. Select the device you want to configure. You can also select multiple devices at the same time. Then tap Next. By default, the device is configured to obtain an IP address automatically through DHCP. To assign a static IP address, turn DHCP off. In the IP address field, enter the IP address you'd like to assign to the device. In the Netmask field, enter your network subnet mask. Then enter the default gateway address. Once everything is configured, tap Start Modify. Enter the device password. By default, this is the safety code printed on the camera label. Then tap Yes to confirm. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the IP address has been updated successfully. If you're configuring multiple devices at once, enter the starting IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Next, enter the device password. Please note that all selected devices must have the same password. As you can see, the static IP addresses have been assigned successfully. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and good luck with your installation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Imou tutorials and installation tips. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.